Today I'm here at a house in Loudoun County. If you look right here, this wall is actually bowing in, but it's also shifting. So when you have shifting and bowing, and it's a block wall, most times it's better to replace it. Most likely it's less expensive. However, if we wanted to, we could take some helical tiebacks and we put these steel plates on here and dig behind it, and we could literally pull this back. All right, but since we're having to dig anyway, and this is kind of too high, it's kind of go over and over in the block area. It's got too much pressure on this wall. So the best thing to do is just dig behind here, take this wall out, put a new footer in, put some rebar up it, put a new some 12-inch blocks at 8-inch. They use 8-inch block on this, okay? And you got this amount of pressure, and you don't fill it full of concrete, you're gonna have failure. Now this wall's been up for probably, I don't know, 40, 50 years probably. All right, so it's lasted a long time, but obviously this could fall at any point, and you just don't want that. You know, you want to control your water. Also, when we rebuild, if we get the job, when we rebuild the wall, we rebuild it, but we build it high and probably one more block higher, to where we can actually slope the yard, the water can actually go down past here. See, the water is coming here and coming here and coming here. So all the pressure is right here on the center part of the wall where most of the failure is. All right, the reason why it shifted out that way over there is just simply just physics. It's just the way, there's a weak spot in the wall that actually gave way. All right, so we'll actually replace, I recommend on this particular job to replace the whole entire block wall and then fill it with concrete and rebar, and it won't have this issue again. It'll last for another 100 years or more. All right, so we go from here all the way down and around. So if this was helpful, please hit like and share at the bottom and click the link below. I appreciate it. Kevin Jarday with InstaDri.
Remember, if anybody charges you for an inspection, that means they're high. Hey, if is your house making you sick? You're always only sick when you come home, but you're not sick anywhere else. Give us a call. We'll look at how to come out there, we do air quality testing, we'll figure out what the problem is, figure out what it is making you sick. We can do DNA testing on your house so you don't have to worry about if it is your house or not. Also, if you have any foundation cracks, you have any cracking inside your house where sheetrock, above your door frames, any of that stuff, we're happy to come out there and evaluate that. We do free evaluations on everything we do except for the mold testing. We do free, come out there and look at your crawl spaces, make sure there's no water or mold issues in there. If you have a basement, you go down to your basement and you got water in your crawl, and you walk down, you splash in your basement, we take care of that. No more splashing, okay? There's all kinds of fixes for a basement like that. We have almost every kind of fix that I've ever been able to find. We offer all those. Most companies offer 1 or 2 fixes. We offer them all. So if you like this helpful to you, please like and share. And if anybody charges you for an inspection, don't go with them. That means they're high. All right. So if that was helpful for you, let us know. Hey,